Okay, hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at the ACSS GRIFFIN Gen2, and we're going to engage this target here. I wanted to share something with you guys. The GRIFFIN is a bullet drop compensator that's integrated into the mill system. What that means is when I run my ballistic data, what I try to do is find a zero that gives me my first mill mark being 300 yards, my second mill mark being roughly 400 yards, my third being roughly 500 yards, and then we end up at 550 to 6 on the fourth mill mark. So down to 4 mils, it acts like an auto range BDC. What that means is like an ACOG or the standard BDC ACSS, like a Raptor. All I have to do is simply fit the target on the correct crosshair. Like I could tell that one's too big. This one looks just right, and this one looks too small. So without doing any math or looking at ballistic data or taking my head out of the glass, I can very quickly fit this target and start to shoot and be impacting. If I just fit and shot on the third mill where it actually fits, we're just a hair low. We're at holding at 480. So instead of impacting here, it's going to impact there. Okay, so for fast auto range BDC center mass targets, if you're dealing with a multiple target engagement, there's no time to sit here and actually mill this target out. Okay, to sit here and mill this target, you would have to go, and this is an easy one because it's rounded off, but you'd have to go 1,000 to get to 1,000. You'd have to go 36 inches, multiply it by 27.778. equals that, divide by the 2 mils equals that. Good luck doing that in the middle of a gunfight. This allows you to very quickly fit and shoot. At the same time, if you do have the time and you do want to mill your target and be very precise, you can. And instead of holding the 3 mils, we're going to hold 3 point, what was it? 3, let's look at the 500 is 3.3. So we would hold about there, to be exact. This system will be not only very accurate for you because it's in mils, but give you the auto range BDC to deal with multiple targets and the chaos of actual engagements. I hope this makes sense. Guys wanting more info on this, go to primaryarms.com, search ACSS GRIFFIN.